Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting day for the legendary Redmi Note 7 Pro. We are going to breathe new life into this device by installing Superior OS, which is based on the brand new Android 16. Before we jump into the installation process, there are a few important things you need to check. First, I am assuming you already have the OrangeFox Dynamic Recovery installed on your phone. Second, please make sure your battery is charged to at least 60% to avoid any shutdowns during the process. And most importantly, this process involves formatting your data. This means all your photos, videos, and contacts will be deleted. Please take a full backup to your PC or an SD card right now. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started. First, we need to reboot into recovery mode. Go ahead and power off your Redmi Note 7 Pro completely. Once the screen is black, hold down the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them until you feel a vibration or see the Redmi logo appear. Once the logo pops up, release the buttons. You should now be welcomed by the OrangeFox Recovery splash screen. Now that we're inside the recovery, we need to clean the old system files. Tap on the trash can icon at the bottom of the screen to open the wipe menu. Here, you need to select exactly 3 partitions. Check the box for Dalvik/ART cache, check the box for cache, and finally, check the box for data. Please do not touch System, Vendor, or any other options. Once selected, swipe the slider at the bottom to complete the wipe. Next, we must format the internal storage to remove encryption. Navigate to the menu or the Format Data tab. Click on Format Data. You will see a screen asking you to type Yes. Using the keyboard, type Y, E, S, and then tap the checkmark button. This will format your internal storage. This step is crucial for a clean installation, so do not skip it. Now it is time to install the ROM. Navigate to your files. Since we formatted the internal storage, your ROM file should ideally be on a micro SD card or a USB OTG drive. Locate the Superior OS Android 16 zip file. Tap on it and then swipe the slider to the right to begin flashing. This process will take a few minutes, so please be patient and do not touch the device while it is installing. Once the installation shows as successful, you will see a button that says Reboot System. Tap that button. The first boot might take about 5 to 10 minutes, so don't panic if it sits on the boot logo for a while. And that is it. You have successfully installed Android 16 on your Redmi Note 7 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.